Well, hello. We have a nice, from eBay recently, I got some nice package of various die-cast cars, mostly nice one. This is the other car, Tootsie Toy. Still have a few more left from the deal. There we go. I cleaned it up. I usually clean them up. I don't, just let them stay in the same condition. Usually wash it up and everything. Here, Tootsie Toy. I recommend cleaning it up after you get it. Although this one's, I left this tag on it. That's like the pedigree, you might say. So nice. So the previous buyer must have bought it for $27 of $94. Anyway, here's another nice car. They're in pretty good condition. Very good condition. Let's see what else. Oh, here's another one. Oh, this is very similar to this one, except it's a little smaller. And this is Tootsie Toy and made in USA. And let's see how many more I have. How many more came in the lot? Oh, this is a tanker. Tanker. So anyway, this was a rather good haul. A good haul. Oh, Tootsie Toy, Chicago, USA. A nice haul. These are vintage, very vintage cars. Let's see, let's say two more, let's say. Well, we'll see in a minute if it's two more or whatever. Yeah, this one. Oh yeah, this one. The tires became a little bit. I had it in the water. I was soaking it in water. All of them. I usually soak it in water for a while and wash it off. And so this looks like it's a chalk-like substance, or maybe a rubber. That's the tires became a little bit flattened out. But, so anyway, that's this one. So I guess you have to watch out for that. That should be the worst thing. as we say. That should be the worst thing. Such a insignificant thing like that. But anyway, oh here, this is another one. This one doesn't say what it is, but from a different company. Yeah, it doesn't look like it says the company's name. Yeah, it looks like that's it. That's it. Yes, we have these. So some nice, kind of a nice deal. A nice deal. I was kind of pleased with it. 1 minute. 1 minute. So here, this was a nice deal. We gave each other good feedback. This was eBay. So anyway, yeah, so these are vintage cars, very vintage. They used to sell these in the 5 and dimes, I think. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot. All the best to you. Take care.